right, the latest news break coming in. Protests have erupted over the NEET row. Aam Aadmi Party netas in arms over NEET. The latest, of course, the issue of 24 lakh students who were paired for the NEET examination in this year resulted in massive discrepancies. Clearly, it's become political as well. You've had the Congress, you've had the DMK, and now the Aam Aadmi Party in the national capital jumping in. Students have taken to the streets in Hyderabad as well, scathing observations by top court in NEET case. The Supreme Court has issued fresh notices to NTA and Centre. The Supreme Court says admit if there's mistake in conducting exams, urging the Centre and the NTA, which is the National Testing Agency, to rectify mistakes, if any. There have been glaring discrepancies in this year around where most aspirants who were paired for NEET say there's been an inflation, especially where the top rankers are concerned. There have been 67 who have scored 720 out of 720. You juxtapose that with the last year, it was just 2 who had scored 100%.
हमको रीनीट चाहिए क्योंकि ये स्कैम जो कुछ भी है हमारे लिए बहुत बुरा हुआ, ठीक है? तो हम इतने साल से कुछ तो भी हम प्रिपेयर करें और पेरेंट्स के ऊपर हम होम्स लगाए, वो सब कुछ पानी में गया ना। तो हमको रीनीट चाहिए और ये हमको जस्टिस दिलाना है।
NSUI has called for a massive protest in Hyderabad. We are joined by Congress MLC Venkat Balmore. Protest. What is this protest about?
This protest is about the NEET scam which has happened at central level, and intentionally there is huge conspiracy because the sanctity of the exam is not there. So we are demanding to reconduct the NEET exam. And Narendra Modi, it's the responsibility of the central government to give that assurance to 24 lakh students and their families. But Modi is hiding and trying to just postpone this issue. So we demand Narendra Modi to apologize to the entire public of India regarding this scam, and it's the responsibility of the central government.
Huge protest has been organized at Hyderabad here. As you can see, hundreds of students have gathered here demanding that the NEET exams must be cancelled and inquiry must be launched into this particular allegations of paper leak in a NEET exam that had taken place. Camera person Damodar Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.
पूरे देश में लाखों बच्चे छात्र छात्राओं का भविष्य दांव पर है। जिन बच्चों ने एग्जाम दिया था वो निराशा में है, उनके गार्जियंस लाखों निराशा में है, और सबकी एक ही मांग है कि इस घोटाले की जांच किया जाए निष्पक्ष तरीके से और इस परीक्षा को रद्द करके दोबारा परीक्षा कराई जाए। आम आदमी पार्टी इन छात्रों की लड़ाई में उनके समर्थन देने के लिए सड़क पे उतरी है। कल पूरे देश में इसमें प्रदर्शन करेंगे।
The issue of alleged irregularities in the NEET exam has reached the streets in the national capital after several rounds of protests by different student organizations. Today, Aam Aadmi Party is holding a protest at Jantar Mantar, seeking that the NEET exam should be cancelled and it should be reconvened. You have Aam Aadmi Party MP Sanjay Singh as well as AAP Delhi convener Gopal Rai making this demand from the stage that the exam which was held, about which there are questions of alleged irregularities, that NEET exam should be reconvened and the present results should be cancelled as well.
I want to connect immediately to my colleague Amit Bhardwaj, who's joining us live. Amit, at one end, the students have taken to the streets in various centres, be it Hyderabad or even in the national capital yesterday. But the big question, Amit, is also the politicization of the entire matter. Now you have the Aam Aadmi Party, which has also taken to the streets in this massive protest, assisting the students.
True, Preeti. On one side we saw that in the initial days it were the student organizations and those affected by the NEET exams protesting across the country at different centers, including the national capital here at Jantar Mantar as well. Not only the student organizations such as NSUI had protested, but also the NEET aspirants were also, a part of such protests. But now the political parties are also entering the into the fray, trying to target guns at the central government, asking answers from Education Minister, and in fact, as you referred as well, Aam Aadmi Party is making two demands right now, that the NEET exam should be reconvened. A Supreme Court monitored probe into the alleged irregularities in the NEET exam that was conducted by the NTA. And in fact, what we are given to understand, Preeti, is that this will not stay limited to the streets. Now, when the first session of the Parliament after 2024, general elections will be convened in the days to come, in that particular session as well, the opposition parties, the India bloc to be precise, will be seen raising the issue of the NEET exam irregularities as they are protesting on the ground. They, in most likelihood, will be raising this issue in the Parliament as well. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Amit. We're going to come back to you for more updates. But listen to Sanjay Singh, who will, in all probability, lead the charge where Parliament is concerned for the Aam Aadmi Party on NEET. Listen in.
करोड़ों नौजवानों का भविष्य बर्बाद हुआ पिछले 2 साल में। कभी पुलिस भर्ती का पेपर लीक हो जाता है, कभी नीट का पेपर लीक हो जाता है, कभी जेई का पेपर लीक हो जाता है। तो ये देश के नौजवानों की जिंदगी के साथ एक बड़ा खिलवाड़ है और इसलिए मैं मांग करता हूं कि इसमें जो लोग शामिल हैं उनको एक टाइम बाउंड तरीके से इन्वेस्टिगेशन करा के उनको सजा दिलाई जाए, सख्त से सख्त सजा दिलाई जाए, उनकी गिरफ्तारी की जाए। ये सीधे सीधे मोदी सरकार के अधीन आने वाले शिक्षा मंत्रालय का घोटाला है, एनटीए का घोटाला है और फिर से ये एग्जाम कराया जाए। अभी सड़क पे आवाज उठाई है, कल पूरे देश में आंदोलन होगा। उसके बाद संसद का सत्र शुरू हो रहा है, वहां भी हम लोग ये मामला उठाएंगे।